Have you ever wondered about the benefits of intermittent fasting? Well, you're not alone. Intermittent fasting is a dietary strategy that's been gaining momentum in recent years, and for good reason. This isn't just another passing trend. It's a nutrition approach that's rooted in science and has been practiced in one form or another for centuries. Intermittent fasting has been making waves in the health and wellness community, and people are increasingly curious about its potential benefits. It's not just about weight loss, though that's certainly one aspect that attracts many. Intermittent fasting is also about enhancing overall health, improving mental clarity, and promoting longevity. It's a lifestyle choice that can lead to transformative changes in the way we eat, live, and think about food. So if you're intrigued by the idea of potentially improving your health, boosting your energy levels, and maybe even extending your lifespan, you're in the right place. Now that we have your attention, let's dive deeper into the world of intermittent fasting. Before we delve into the benefits, it's important to understand what intermittent fasting is. Intermittent fasting, in essence, is a pattern of eating that alternates between periods of consuming food and abstaining from it. It's not about what you eat, but rather when you eat. This method of consuming food has been practiced throughout history, often out of necessity, but also for health, spirituality, and even survival. In today's world, intermittent fasting has become a popular health and fitness trend, with many people using it to lose weight, improve their health, and simplify their lifestyles. Unlike most diets that tell you what to eat, intermittent fasting is all about scheduling your meals so that you get the most out of them. There are several ways to approach intermittent fasting, each with its own unique schedule and benefits. Let's discuss a few of the most common methods. First up is the 16-8 method, also known as the Lean Gains protocol. This method involves fasting every day for 14 to 16 hours and limiting your eating window to 8 to 10 hours. Within this window, you can fit in 2, 3, or more meals. Next is the 5-2 diet, also known as the fast diet. This method involves eating normally for 5 days of the week, then restricting your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days of the week. Finally, we have the Eat Stop Eat method. This involves a 24-hour fast once or twice a week. For instance, if you finish dinner at 7 o'clock on Monday night, you wouldn't eat again until dinner time on Tuesday night. Remember, intermittent fasting is not about starving yourself. It's about controlling when you eat, not what you eat. It's a lifestyle choice that, when done correctly, can lead to improved health and wellness. Now that you know what intermittent fasting is, let's explore why it's worth considering. Why do people choose to fast intermittently? What are the benefits? Well, there's a multitude of reasons why folks decide to incorporate intermittent fasting into their lifestyle, and many of these stem from the remarkable health benefits it can provide. One of the most well-known advantages of intermittent fasting is weight loss. Yes, you heard it right. By limiting your eating window, your body is forced to tap into its stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss. But it's not just about shedding a few pounds. Intermittent fasting can also improve your metabolic health, enhancing your body's ability to process sugars and fats. This can lead to improved blood sugar control, reduced insulin resistance, and a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It's quite remarkable, isn't it? And the benefits don't stop at physical health. Intermittent fasting can also contribute to improved mental clarity and cognitive function. When the body is in a fasted state, it produces ketones, a type of fuel that the brain loves. This can lead to increased focus, better memory, and even enhanced mood. It's like giving your brain a much-needed tune-up. Did I mention it could also boost your energy levels? Yes, while it may seem counterintuitive, fasting can indeed lead to increased energy. This is because the process of fasting and then refueling the body can improve mitochondrial health, which in turn leads to more efficient energy production. But perhaps one of the most compelling benefits of intermittent fasting is its potential to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Studies have suggested that fasting can lead to a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Now, isn't that a compelling list of benefits? From weight loss and improved metabolic health, through to enhanced mental clarity and reduced risk of chronic diseases, intermittent fasting certainly packs a powerful health punch. With such compelling benefits, you must be wondering how to get started. Well, stay tuned, because that's exactly what we're going to explore in the next scene. Starting intermittent fasting might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. The first step to embarking on your intermittent fasting journey is choosing a method that aligns with your lifestyle. There are several methods available, ranging from the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, to the eat-stop-eat method, where you fast for 24 hours once or twice a week. It's essential to pick a method that you can sustain over time. Remember, intermittent fasting is not a quick fix. It's a lifestyle change. Once you've chosen your method, it's time to prepare for the fast. This isn't just about clearing out your pantry or fridge, although that can help. It's about mentally preparing yourself for the journey ahead. Understand that there will be challenges, but also know that you have the strength and resilience to face them head on. Before you start, it's crucial to stay hydrated. Water is your best friend during your fasting window. Not only does it keep you hydrated, but it also helps you feel full. Additionally, you might want to consider taking multivitamins or supplements to ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need. Now let's talk about managing hunger during the fasting period. The first few days might be a bit rough as your body adjusts to the new eating schedule. However, it's important to listen to your body. If you're feeling lightheaded or weak, it might be a sign that you need to adjust your fasting method or schedule. Here are a few tips to manage hunger. First, keep busy. The busier you are, the less likely you are to think about food. Second, drink lots of water or herbal tea. This can help stave off hunger pangs. Lastly, get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can increase your hunger hormone levels, making fasting more challenging. Remember, the key to success with intermittent fasting is consistency and patience. It's not about perfection, but progress. You might stumble along the way, but that's okay. Just pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and keep going. Every step you take on this journey is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Like any new endeavor, intermittent fasting comes with its own set of challenges. As we delve into this fascinating journey, it's essential to be aware of common pitfalls and how to sidestep them. One of the most common blunders is harboring unrealistic expectations. Many embark on this journey hoping for instant results, but it's important to remember that intermittent fasting is not a magic pill. It's a lifestyle change that requires patience and consistency. Don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate changes. Your body needs time to adjust and adapt to this new eating pattern. Another frequent mistake is not drinking enough water. Hydration is key, especially during fasting periods. While you're fasting, you're not taking in any food, but that doesn't mean you should skip on liquids. Water keeps your body functioning optimally and can help curb hunger pangs. Make a habit of carrying a water bottle with you and sip throughout the day. Next on the list is not eating enough during eating periods. When it's time to break your fast, it's crucial to nourish your body with a well-balanced meal. Some might believe that eating less will speed up weight loss, but in reality, this can lead to nutrient deficiencies and decreased energy levels. Remember, it's about eating within a certain time frame, not starving yourself. And lastly, many individuals dive into intermittent fasting without considering their individual health needs. It's paramount to consult with a healthcare provider before starting this or any dietary regimen. They can help tailor an approach that suits your body, lifestyle, and health goals. These are common missteps, but they can be easily avoided with a bit of knowledge, preparation, and mindfulness. Remember to set realistic expectations, stay hydrated, nourish your body with balanced meals, and always consult with a healthcare professional before starting. Avoid these pitfalls, and your intermittent fasting journey will be a lot smoother. And let's not forget, this journey is about enhancing your health, not punishing your body. So take it slow, listen to your body, and embrace the process. Intrigued by intermittent fasting? Here's a quick summary of what we've discussed. Intermittent fasting is more than just a diet. It's a pattern of eating and not eating. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat it. We've explored the many benefits of this eating strategy, including weight loss, improved mental clarity, and enhanced longevity. We've walked through the process of starting intermittent fasting, from determining your fasting window to easing into your new eating schedule. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and adjust as necessary. We've also touched on common mistakes, like overeating during your eating window or not drinking enough water, and how to avoid them. Remember, intermittent fasting isn't a quick fix but a lifestyle change. It may not be for everyone, but it could be a powerful tool in your wellness toolkit. Happy fasting!